Want to know the secret behind that home style Thengai or coconut Thogayal that goes with idli, dosa, chapati? Why even plain rice tastes heavenly with this, with a little bit of ghee on top. In just 5 minutes I'll show you how to make this creamy, aromatic Thengai Thogayal with the perfect balance of spice, tang and coconut goodness. Let's get started. Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Welcome to day 14 of our 30 days 30 veg side dishes series. And today we are making a very authentic Tamil Nadu style Thengai Thogayal. Thogayal translates roughly as chutney. We say Thogayal when you can even mix it with rice and eat. So it goes well with idli, dosa, chapati, etc. Also with rice with a little bit of ghee on top. Come, let's see how to make this. All we need is a handful of ingredients, 1 cup of fresh grated coconut. I have taken here 2 tablespoons of Channa Dal, 2 tablespoons of Urad Dal, a few curry leaves, 2 cubes of Hing, 5 dry red chillis, a small piece of tamarind. You can adjust the spice level, 1 chilli less or more according to your spice level. That's all it takes to make this traditional magic. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add in the Channa Dal, also the Urad Dal, and fry them in the oil till the dals change color to a brownish red color. Add in the hing. If you don't have cube, you can use powder hing also. The dals are changing color. Now add in your dry red chillis and saute them also till they also are well fried. Do everything over a low flame. Now switch off the gas, add in that small piece of tamarind and also the fresh grated coconut, and just toss everything together in the heat of the pan for about 1 or 2 minutes. Now remove it from the stove and keep it aside to cool. When cool, transfer everything into your blender jar. Add salt. Add just a little bit of water at a time because the texture is very important. We need a thick and slightly coarse paste. See the texture of the Thogayal? It should be thick and slightly coarse. We'll just do a simple tempering of mustard seeds and a few curry leaves. Just pour it over your Thengai Thogayal. This goes good with idli, dosa, plain rice. Today I am serving it with this steaming hot pidi korakattais. And this Thengai Thogayal at the side. A very delicious combo. Do try this Thengai Thogayal. I am sure you love its authentic South Indian flavor, just like how my party used to make it. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen. And we'll meet again tomorrow with another interesting veg side dish of our 30 days series. Thank you.